Hi guys, welcome back yet to another Beauty DIY, and today I'm so excited to share with you guys how I made this clutch purse, and it's like by far the easiest method so far that I've seen. And so today I'm just going to share with you guys how to make a fabric clutch. That's my fabric and that is my lining. Then I put the lining on top of the African print fabric, right sides facing each other with the wrong sides facing outwards. Then I went to one part of the fabric and then I started to insert the zipper, and I used the zipper foot for this. I switched the foot press on the sewing machine and then I put the zipper foot. Then I also sewed the zipper onto the lining. And then I just started putting pins all over. And then after that I stitched right round. And at this point you need to make sure that your zipper is slightly open so that you'll be able to turn the purse inside out. And on the corners I just made like little snips so that the corners won't be like completely square. And then after stitching you now need to make snips on all the corners so that when you turn it inside out it will be smooth. Then I just started turning it inside out like that. And then at this point I just closed that zip. And then I just tried to straighten out the corners, and then I went on to just press it out and make sure that all the edges are crisp. And then since I'd attached the zipper there, I then now made a straight line across, just the way that I'm doing it, so that when you put things inside the pockets they don't like fall through. and then I tried to use a stitch that would not be visible on the other side. Then you now fold it like that, and then as I was folding, I just placed pins to hold it in place, and then I went on to sew the sides on the sewing machine. And then after that, I just went on to fold it into a purse like that, and to make it stay in place, I just pressed it using an iron. Then I also ironed the other side. Then I just folded the purse over again and I ironed the whole purse to make sure that it maintains the shape. Then I now took these magnetic fasteners. Then there I was just marking where they would go. So you need to fold your purse in half first so that you can find the middle. Then you now go ahead and mark. Then after that, I now took a razor blade and then I just cut tiny gaps of about 5 millimeters, and then I inserted the magnetic fasteners. And then as for the top one, I now took that little metal that I put on the side, and then I just secured the snap fastener, and then to cover it up, I just used some hot glue, and then I put a cover button there using some hot glue. And that was it for the purse. That is the end of the DIY. And I think it was quite simple. It was very simple. Anyway, these are my other bag DIYs. Please do check them out. I would really appreciate it so much. And thank you so much for watching this video tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.